Hey guys, in today's video I'm actually working with the Huda. This is their Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I got this as a free gift for upgrading to Ipsy for an entire year. Well, the Ipsy clan bag, that's like $12. I saved a little bit of money and got a $30-something palette for free, so I'm happy. This is going to be multiple looks, one palette. The first video that I did with it, I used like the first 2 rows. This time I only used the bottom row. I used the exact same colors on both eyes. There's only 3, this matte shade and then the 2 shimmers, and I put placement differently. So I put the shimmer shade all over this lid and then did like a spotlight effect on this eye, and then this one I just did kind of half and half to show you the difference of application. And again, it's the same 3 shades. But this is the first 2 looks using this little palette. I want to try and do like an all matte look, but I don't know, this color, and this color don't, well, I barely picked up any color. Hang on, let me try that again. These colors do not look like they will go well together. first one you can barely even see. I don't know. It's like the bottom one is an olive brown olive shade, and then the other two, one of them's like a bright and one of them's like a pastel. So I'm not quite sure how this color combo is going to work well together as a look, but I do want to try and do like one all shimmer look and then one all matte look. I have officially used all of the shades in this palette. I find that the shimmers work better with your finger. So yeah, this is 2 looks so far with this Emerald Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I do not care for the owner of this brand. I don't care for the message of the brand, but this little eyeshadow palette's quite nice. I have the Mauve Obsessions, but it's up on Depop for sale. So if you want it, I will leave it linked down below, but I don't like the mauve one. But this one I like. I understand why so many people rave about it, but hopefully you guys like this. I don't know how many looks I will do in this, whether it's 2 more or if it's 4 more. And I didn't talk through the applications. I will just speed it up so that you can get multiple looks out of it. If you want more talk through tutorials, let me know, but a lot of people stopped watching those, or they only watch like 3 minutes of them. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys later. I might record something after I do the next 2 looks, and then we'll see where we're at. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the finished looks that I just did. The air just kicked off, but my battery's been flashing ever since I hit record. I did an all matte look on this eye, and I did use all three of the matte eyeshadows. On this eye, I used the matte eyeshadow that's like the olive color, and then I mixed this shade and this shade for like the outer edge, and then on the inner part of my eye, I used this shade up here, which ended up being really pretty, and I didn't put anything on my brow bone on either side. And I'm liking, like, this is like a beautiful, like, grungy kind of look, but it's so pretty with that inner shade. And then this one's all matte. I really do kind of want to just add some shimmer to it because I don't like all matte eye looks, but I think it came together pretty well. I took my time blending with this, and I was using the Sigma E25 brush for the most part on the looks, and then I used my Vasanti brush to do the outer edge on this one because I wanted more detailed like application, but I also know that that brush blends really well. So this is another 2 looks with the Huda Emerald Obsessions palette. I'm liking how these looks are coming out so far. So far this is looks 3 and 4. I think I'm going to try and do 6 looks with this one. I think because when I did my initial looks, I used this row and then I did this row, and then my first 2 looks for this video were this bottom row. So I'm kind of like mixing it up. I think for the next 2 looks that I do, I will try and use some of the other shades that I haven't used this set of videos. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I didn't talk through this at all because of course the air kept kicking on and off, and it's like midnight. So anyways, I will see you guys in just a second for 2 more looks, and then that should wrap it up for multiple looks, 1 palette with this little Huda palette. And I think both of these are beautiful. See you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the finished 2 looks that I just did. This is actually a wrap up of 6 looks, 1 palette. I figured because this only has 9 eyeshadows in it, I would do 6 different looks instead of just 4. I didn't talk through any of them, but this time I used this entire row here and this shade up here and this shade on the other corner to create both of these looks. And they're both different. And they're both dark and they're both really pretty. I went a little too far down over here with that matte turquoise shade, but that's okay. And I am using the liners that I am testing out from the lab that are the water activated. These are 3-gram jars. So right now I'm just testing out a few of the colors to see how opaque they are. The black isn't as shiny as I thought it was when I first did some test swatches of it. So I'm happy with that because I hate a shiny black liner. So I didn't do my brows today. I just kind of combed through them. But yeah, I like how both of these turned out. And the lip is a new Wet n Wild one. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha. So that's new. I have a Walmart haul that will be coming up on my channel shortly. That has a bunch of things that I picked up through the grocery shopping thing where you order online and then pick up. So anyways, this is the final 2 looks that I did with the Huda Emerald Obsessions palette. I really like this palette. I'm very shocked because I hated the Mauve Obsession. The mattes didn't want to blend, the shimmers didn't want to pick up. I couldn't get anything to work for me. Everything was like super dry and really hard pressed, and I was just not happy with it. But this one I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So the last 2 looks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below of any of the 6 looks that I've done, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. The next palette I'm working on is Ibiza. I've already got 2 looks filmed with it so far. This is a half neutral, half colorful palette, or 3/4 colorful and 1/4 neutral. So I'm working on multiple looks with that right now, so, or I will be after this one. So I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and spread love and not hate.